how to block a user on Soundcloud PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to block a user on Soundcloud PC in less than 1 minute. First thing, choose the person that you want to block. For example, let's say I'm gonna block this one. Of course I'm not gonna block it because I love his work, so all what I'm gonna do is show you how. Go right here and click on those three dots. Now click on block the person from here, as you can see, and you can click here and click block. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.